दुनिया में ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं जो अपने 9 to 5 जॉब से थक गए हैं एंड दे जस्ट वांट टू सेट आउट टू ट्रैवल एंड डू समथिंग डिफरेंट। पर अक्सर ये इतना आसान नहीं होता। तो चलिए आज आपको मिलाते हैं दीप तर्कु गुप्ता से, who left his software engineering job to travel for a year.
Hello, my name is Deep Tarku. I am a software engineer. Last year in January, I left my job to travel in Latin America and USA, covering more than 25,000 kilometers overland in 347 days. Here is my story. From school to college to post-graduation and directly to job, I followed the normal routine. I wanted to break free from that routine life and to do something which I really enjoy and I really love. I thought why not take a break from the 9 to 5 job and then travel, just travel.
Initially, when Deep Tarku told his family that he wanted to leave his job for traveling, they did not really understand. But gradually with time, they were very supportive as they knew how passionate he was about traveling. Before traveling, Deep Tarku worked as a software engineer in Bengaluru for 5 years, where he managed to do a lot of savings which finally came to use.
On September 2019, I was turning 29 years old and I thought I should do a solo backpacking trip for a longer duration of time. The countries that I visited were Brazil, Argentina, Chile, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Mexico and United States of America. I have divided my trip into 4 parts. The first part was from Sao Paulo to Buenos Aires. That part was overland in 1 month. The second part was from Ushuaia, which is in the Tierra del Fuego region of Argentina, which is like the southernmost region of the South American continent and the closest you can get to Antarctica. From Ushuaia, I did an overland journey to the north of South America and the Caribbean coast of Colombia, and it took me around more than 6 months to do that, from the south of South America to the north of South America. So Latin America for me was one of the most exotic destinations to visit because of one of the highest mountain ranges in the world, the largest tropical rainforest, some of the driest deserts on earth. So yeah, it had a special place in my bucket list.
And he spent almost 8.5 lakhs for a whole year of traveling. This was not a luxurious trip for Deep Tarku, as he chose to stay in hostels, did couch surfing where he stayed at the local family houses in place for any of his services that he could help with, and often took part in volunteer programs for his food and accommodation.
That I was already doing couch surfing in some of the places. So one of the most memorable experiences while doing couch surfing was staying with the local people and also seeing the local place together, exploring the new places and to cook food as well. It was really an amazing experience to do that.
Deep Tarku did not have any bad memories, but he did face a few roadblocks on the way.
Obviously, when you're traveling in a foreign land for around a year, you will face certain difficulties. The weather sometimes, or sometimes I was stuck in a road blockade in Bolivia for around 10 hours without food and water. I did some crazy activities during this 1 year. Some of them would be hiking solo in Patagonia and in the Andes mountains of Peru. Then I ziplined above a river in Patagonia, and then I climbed an active volcano in Chile. That is also one of the crazy activity that I did. My advice to people who want to travel a lot but cannot manage it because of the families and other factors, I would say even if you cannot travel for a long duration of time, you can take like a couple of weeks of break from your job, and then you can travel to some places that you want. And if you know how to manage your expenses, there are a lot of ways you can travel for very less money. And like it's up to you. Like if you want to travel, I would say you should travel. Like whether it's for like 2 weeks, a month, or a few months, or a year, that's completely up to you.